building of relationships requires a collaborative effort. It is a trial and error experience that every individual, especially adolescents, go through. These relationships can be romantic, friendships, family, or peers. Building a relationship takes time, patience, and effort. It could take years to form a strong bond with another person.
In the process of forming these bonds, there could be obstacles that you may face on the way that could interfere with your relationship. These obstacles can lead to cracks in the foundation that can potentially break down a relationship exponentially faster than it took to build it.
Throughout your life, the relationships you have will influence the person you are, while also changing as you do. Understanding these changes will allow you to learn, grow, and communicate well with others, which you will need in order to become the best version of yourself.
Destroy. All it took was one. And a shot of the... Okay.